Turkish president to visit Qatar on Monday. Recep Tayyip Erdogan to attend 5th meeting of Turkey-Qatar High Strategic Committee. Israeli court convicts Palestinian icon of incitements. Court allows convict Salah of illegal incorporation. Two Iraqi protesters killed in Nasiriyah clashes. Security forces open fire to disperse protesters in central Nasiriyah. EU urged Syrian regime and allies to stop attacks. Attacks on critical civilian infrastructure by regime and allies unacceptable. Must stop immediately, EU. Lebanese protest outside US embassy in Beirut. Stalkers of Lebanese demonstrate US interference in their country's affairs. US Pompeo and UAE FM discuss Russian presence in Libya. Diplomats discuss their needs to counter Iranian regime destabilization behavior. Germany, good progress on Libya talks in Berlin. Berlin vows continued support for UN-led mediation efforts. Libya government warns Haftar forces over no-fly zone. Haftar forces announced no-fly zone over western Libya. Turkey donates humanitarian aid to thousands in Somalia. Over 370,000 people displaced in Somalia due to floods according to UN. Afghan poll crisis. Defense head warns against violence. Defense minister vows not to allow violence to undermine presidential elections. Pakistan protests desecration of Quran in Norway. Islamabad summons Norwegian envoy to convey concern over incident. Delaying solution to Kashmir has consequences for world. Azad Kashmir President Mahmood Khan discussed variety of issues linked to Kashmir.